Hey everyone, Namaste, Minasan Konnichiwa.
Welcome to our channel Bhai Bhasha. This is Bhargav.
This is Shalmali. Nowadays we are obsessed with salads and they are absolutely crunchy and really tasty.
As they are really healthy as well, we try to include them in almost all of our meals. So today we'll be sharing with you guys our versions of two super healthy Japanese style salad dressings.
For more such awesome recipes, do subscribe to our channel and also don't forget to hit that bell icon.
Without any further delay, let's get started with
Healthy salad dressings.
Let's start with creamy sesame dressing. First, using a mortar and pestle, roughly crush the sesame seeds. You don't have to overdo them. Plus, we also recommend doing this lightly to get a nice crunch in your dressing. Once done, take it in a mixing bowl. Add 2 tablespoons sugar. Any sugar is okay, but we are using cane sugar. Next, add 2 tablespoons Greek yogurt or hung yogurt. You could also use the same amount of normal yogurt or mayonnaise instead. Now add half tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, and mix well till all the ingredients combine. And that's it. Your dressing number 1 is ready. Usually mayonnaise is used in this dressing, but we thought of making it healthier by using Greek yogurt, which has low fat content. We are already getting the necessary fats from sesame oil and sesame seeds. Now let's move on to our next dressing, onion dressing. In a food processor or a mixer, slightly crush a small onion. You may also grate the onion instead. Take it out in a mixing bowl. We've not crushed it entirely as we wanted a little rough consistency. You can adjust that according to your preference. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, half tablespoon sugar, a pinch of salt, and finally half tablespoon olive oil. Give it a good mix and your onion dressing is done. Now you just need some amazing veggies to use these two easy dressings. The best part about them is that you can adjust the amount of sugar, salt or oil if you want to. Again, these being healthy dressings, you can use a generous amount in your salads. Now just pour them into your veggies and enjoy.
Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Hope you liked it and you can try it out.
These salad dressings require hardly 5 to 7 minutes for preparation.
Which is way better than buying them from the stores. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel if you like our content.
Also follow us on Instagram. All the links are in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching.
Arigatou gozaimashita. Bye bye.